The virtual currency revolution is here and is growing fast. It is even bigger than the birth of the internet. 1,000 times bigger. This is the new gold rush. It is a business opportunity 100 years in the making. It is a new revolution that improves the quality of life of 7 billion people, making it a trend of the trend. It is a new revolution caused by the collision of two of the world's largest industries, the digital technology industry and the financial services industry, to create a new industry that will become the biggest and fastest growing industry in the history of mankind. The virtual currency industry, and Gemcoin is at the heart of this collision. Welcome to the virtual currency revolution, the Gemcoin revolution. Money has been a central part of society for as long as we had societies. It had connected cities, countries, cultures, and people. Until now, money has been used as a physical method of exchange. But thanks to Gemcoin, the way we send, spend, and receive money is about to change. Handling the billions of small everyday transactions our society generates is too complex, time-consuming, and expensive for current financial services. But at the speed of light, Gemcoin crosses borders and time zones at no cost. The scale of cost savings for countries and consumers is unprecedented, including the cost from global exchange market, fiscal fraud, financial intermediation, credit card embezzlement, and the production, management, and destruction of physical money. Gemcoin is growing exponentially, and there are millions of Gemcoin users around the world today because Gemcoin possesses countless economical and societal advantages and has the 3 key ingredients necessary for it to be recognized as a true virtual currency: mobile, global, and trusted. It is a mobile, global, and trusted virtual currency that lets you send money to anyone, anywhere, anytime, and as easy as sending an SMS. By connecting banks and financial service providers, we can create a more open financial ecosystem and make transactions significantly more affordable and accessible for the entire value chain: people, businesses, and societies. Unlike digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Litecoin, Gemcoin is secured and trusted because it is the first and only virtual currency in the world that has an intrinsic value backed by precious rare gemstones owned by AFG's gemstone mines located around the world, thereby giving Gemcoin an intrinsic value that is stable and appreciative. In fact, the usage of Gemcoin as virtual currency for the purchase of goods and services has been legalized by the state of California, USA, via Assembly Bill AB 129 that was approved on the 28th of June 2014. Amber is in great demand today, as it has been for thousands of years, because the gleaming yellow-gold hue of amber is one of nature's wonders and one which has been sought after and admired for centuries by retailers, collectors, and consumers. Over the past 10 years, the value of amber has regularly outstripped that of gold, making it a perfect platform to keep Gemcoin's intrinsic value stable, letting you spend your money freely and securely. So there's no doubt that Gemcoin will be a successful virtual currency, overtaking the success of Bitcoin. Gemcoin was officially issued to the public in the US on the 1st of September 2014 at the price of 5 cents. Back in 2009, the starting price of Bitcoin was 6 cents and reached its highest peak at $1,242, more than 20,000 times higher than its initial value. Gemcoin is issued by the US FIA Currency Fund, a multinational corporation headquartered in Arcadia City, California. It is an organization fully owned, supported, and backed by Alliance Financial Group, or AFG, a multinational jewelry corporation founded in Delaware, USA, in 2002 with its head office based in Los Angeles, USA. AFG is primarily involved in gem mining, jewelry design, and processing of AMMINE branded world-class jewelries. Other investments of AFG are in Real Estate Investment Fund, REIT, Real Estate Mines, Gemstone, Auction House, Biotechnology, Information Technology, and Aerospace Industries. AFG possesses more than $50 billion worth of assets all around the world, with more than 2,000 business associates. AFG owns many gemstone mines all around the world, including the unique copper pectolite mine and rhodochrosite mines in Argentina, and the mines at El Val, Dominican Republic, where a 30,000 square meter mine produces 2/3 of the world's rarest and world-class amber and has since produced over 1 billion grams of high-quality amber. AFG is also the organizer of the prestigious annual AMN International Jewelry Queen, attended by international renowned personalities. Gemcoin is creating new economic paradigm and is setting a new standard for transparency and consumer protection that will define the future of the financial services industry. Gemcoin provides you with a fast and easy way to take your business and social networking to the next level. At USFIA, we believe in an open and networked society where everyone can benefit from being connected. So why should money be any different? Gemcoin is a strong currency that excels its high level of security and appreciable value. Due to the overwhelming success of Gemcoin since its public issue in 2014, Gemcoins is now entering a new phase of unstoppable growth, and you are perfectly positioned to be part of its growth and rock the power of this opportunity. If you feel like you've missed the boat on digital currency, there is good news for you. It's still in the port, waiting to leave, so get on board. Join this virtual currency revolution and ride the next wave of opportunity in wealth creation. The potential of success with Gemcoin is limitless, so don't miss this opportunity to capitalize on this emerging trend.